Since I was in college, I've spent free time watching these nomadic YouTubers. They live in their cars, their RVs, their vans. They've all made this jump from society to be able to do whatever they want. I've spent thousands of hours living van life vicariously through these people. I've been wanting to do the same for years, and now... it's finally time that I hit the road too. Well, not like right now, it's kind of late, but in a few days. So what exactly am I going to do? Where am I gonna go? I'm not too sure yet, but that'll be part of the fun. First off, I'll be driving and living out of my Subaru Forester. I've taken her on some short trips before, so I already have a basic setup. Now to decide what else to bring on my adventures. Hiking shoes, definitely. Winter coat? Not for now. First aid kit, for sure. Full-sized acoustic guitar? I wish. Travel-sized guitar? Alright. Leather armchair? Too heavy. Honey butter potato chips? Bunch of socks? Yes. No. 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 No.
You're moving out, finally!
Now, having all the essentials decided, I was ready to pack up and hit the road. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing out here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving in my suit.